Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is one of the best cases we had last year. And he's a dude that's about my age, that's from overseas, and got 2 strip cases done by a reasonably well-known hair transplant doctor, and things just didn't pan out. Here he is before. And this dude was nervous, right? I mean, he's had a whole bunch of crap going on in his life that I can relate to, but he's a nervous fellow. And it took forever to reassure him that we could probably make him satisfied, but nothing's ever sure. And so we did this case on him. And we left side loaded because he's got a finite amount of hair left after those 2 cases done elsewhere, and he wants to part his hair this way. And so here he is at the end of the case. And then I won't burden you with all the other things. I think we have one other video of him at about 7 or 8 months. But he walked in and did this video. All right, Steve, you are a year and 20 days out from us working on you. How old a fellow are you? I can't remember.
I'm 55.
So we're about the same age. I'm a little older than you. And you had 2 hair transplants done someplace else. Don't say where they are. And you were nervous as a Nelly, right?
I was.
and so, as I just told you, at a year and 20 days out, you probably still have another 2 or 3 months of getting a little bit better. Not dramatically better, but a little bit better. Bend over just a little bit. And so we did this. Your before pictures are up to your side. And that's not a comb over, it's just styled hair, right?
Yeah.
Was I up front with you? Did I give you any kind of nonsense?
No.
And everything I told you, was it pretty much true?
100%. Yes.
Turn around and face the blue wall, would you?
Sure.
So you still got a project or 2 back here, if you had enough hair. And let's see. Your scar, you've got a scar from another dude and from me. It's a pretty decent little scar. Look up at the ceiling. And then turn back around. Yeah, I won't get your face. So now a year into this, was it worth doing?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm very happy.
And how has this changed your life? If the answer is none, then don't worry about it.
Dramatically. I'm very, very happy with it. I see myself back.
That's fantastic.
I'm extremely happy. It's I walk by the mirror all the time. So.
All right, man, that's great. Thank you for coming today. So Wendy, actually there were 2 videos I had to fuse together because he did the first video and then we came in and
he was telling me like
he wouldn't quit shutting up about what had changed in
what had changed, and then he says, "Well, let's put it in a video."
So, hair transplants do not change your life, but for some guys, they give them enough confidence that they can change their whole attitude, and I think this has helped this guy dramatically.
Yes, it has, and everything about him. Now he glows. He's
a different dude.
He is. He came, he told you his story. He was very sad. He was trying to get you to promise you to guaranteed. He brought pictures. Remember how he wanted to look.
Right. And we don't guarantee it. I'm not even guaranteeing you're getting paid this week with that attitude.
Can you sign something? No, when he came this last time, he's even feeling much, much, much better.
Oh, yeah. And something changed with his job or something. I can't remember.
Oh, he changed jobs.
Yeah. Anyhow, hair transplants won't change your life, but it may give some people the confidence that they need to change their own lives. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.